So I want to show you how to solve a set of linear equations, two equations with two unknowns. So let's say we have the two equations 2m plus 4b equal 1000 and 6m plus 2b equal 1200. We label those equations 1 and 2. And to find the point of intersection of these two lines is very simple. You take one of the two equations and you solve it for one of the two variables. So I'm going to take equation 1 and I'm going to solve it for m. So I have 2m plus 4b equal 1000. So I now need to go ahead and solve that for m. To do that, I simply solve 2m is equal to 1000 minus 4b, and that makes m equal to 1000 minus 4b divided by 2, which makes m equal to 500 minus 2b. Then what you do is you take that value for m, which is basically our m, and we're going to plug that into the other equation. Since we solved equation 1, we're going to plug that into equation 2 for m. And we're going to solve that. So now you're going to solve equation 2 for b, for the other variable. So it would be 6 times 500 minus 2b plus 2b equal 1200. So I've basically substituted m for, or my expression for m for m in equation 2. And if I do it out, I get the following equation. Solving it, minus 12b plus 2b is minus 10b. And bring it over 3000 with negative on the other side, leaves it with minus 1800. And that makes b equal to minus 1800 divided by minus 10. And that gives me, of course, 180. So my solution for b is 180. Now what you got to do is you got to plug that b back into the equation you started with. So we're going to plug it in here. Alright, so what we'll do is we have m is equal to 500 minus 2 times 180, which is equal to 500 minus 360, and that gives me 140. So my 2 points are, well, my point of intersection is b equal 180 and m equal 140. So how do you know if you're right or wrong? Well, it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is plug your two solution values into one of the two equations. So let's take the equation 2m plus 4b equal 1000. And what you do is you simply plug in m was 140 and b is 180 and see if that comes out to be 1000. So that's 280 plus 720, and that indeed comes out to be 1000. So we know that our solution is right. And that's it. That's all there is to it.